Welcome to Fido Markets. How to start Forex trading. Humans are prone to earning money in many possible ways, in their spare time or while staying at home. One such passive income is Forex trading. Are you still wondering how to start or where to start? This video will address all your questions and doubts. Let's dive in. Firstly, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is a short way of saying foreign exchange trading, which involves currencies and commodities. Forex trading comprises buying, selling, and exchanging national currencies. Consider the following steps carefully before jumping into the trading pool. Step 1. Learn first, then earn. Learning is the key factor to establishing yourself in reality as a successful Forex trader, so educate yourself on the subject. Step 2. Practice with a demo account. Demo accounts chase out fears and risks out of your trading performance. To acquire essential knowledge about Forex trading, consider trading with a demo account. Step 3. Invest minimum, reap handsome. After practicing with a demo account, apply all of your newly acquired skills and strategies to a real account. Don't put all your investment into it. Step 4. Trade like a pro. If you started earning a stable amount in the moving market, then change the gear to the next level, which is professional trading using various strategies, analytics, and tools. What stage are you in? Wanna trade? Give us a call.